Hello everyone, in this video I will compare CamScanner and Adobe Scan. When comparing CamScanner and Adobe Scan, both apps let you scan documents and extract text using OCR optical character recognition, but they each shine in different areas. CamScanner is known for its feature-rich scanning tools. It gives you lots of options like auto-cropping, image enhancement, annotation, watermark removal, and cloud sync. Its OCR is accurate and supports multiple languages, and it even lets you edit and search extracted text. However, some features require premium subscription and the app shows occasional ads in the free version. Adobe Scan, developed by Adobe, is more polished and completely ad-free. It integrates smoothly with Adobe Acrobat and cloud storage, and its OCR is very accurate, especially when scanning printed documents. You can easily convert scans to searchable PDFs, highlight text, and share directly as high-quality files. The app is free with no ads, but some PDF editing features require an Adobe subscription. If you want advanced tools and flexibility, CamScanner gives you more control. But if you're after a cleaner experience with strong OCR and PDF integration, Adobe Scan is the better pick. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.